Recoverite is Hamer Nutrition's best-selling product for a reason. It's the key to living an active life to the fullest. Just mix 2 scoops with 4 to 6 ounces of water directly after activity and reap the delicious rewards. Just like that, you'll be doubling up your weekends, seizing your mornings, throwing down on the weeknights, and enjoying every minute in between. The magic comes from our perfect 3-to-1 ratio of complex carbohydrates and premium whey protein isolate coupled with critical amino acids and a full spectrum of electrolytes. In one simple step, you'll accelerate muscular repair, enhance carbohydrate synthesis, support your immune system, and optimize hydration levels. You'll feel great, maximize your gains, and be back at it sooner than ever. Faster, fitter, healthier, and more fun. Recovery matters. Do it right.